If you want to learn more about guitar chords, guitar scale, guitar tips, and so many more, you can try this channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button, Siriaco Garcia on Facebook, and on YouTube's Akski TV Guitar Lovers. Okay? What are we waiting for? Just grab your guitar and let's start our lessons today. Okay, guys? There are two things you can choose from, or you can choose between two things. Okay, guys? The first things all you have to do is to play a chord progression. The chords that we are trying to use are start from the A, bar chord A, and then the C sharp minor, bar chord also, B minor, and then the E. This is the first thing you can do. You can choose if you want this bar chord progression, and all you have to do is to play strum down, down, down. Okay, let's start from, you can copy this. Repeat. So this is the first things. So what is the second things or the another things you can learn? Okay, guys? How to create a guitar solo at the same time applying to these chords. Okay? This is a guitar solo. So just copy this or imitate this. Repeat. Okay? So how to apply with pastor? Choose what is the best for you. How to play a slash chord. I'm gonna give you a 2 short video tutorial of slash chord, how to play a slash chord. Okay, this tutorial is not more important. This is not necessary. Most of our guitar lecture is not necessary, but we have to enjoy ourselves. Okay, guys. Okay, let's talk about the chord slash chord. Let's start from the A minor 7 over G. If you have no idea how to play this is the chord, or this is the shape. All you have to do is to copy what I am doing on the screen. Okay, guys? Let's now start. This is the A minor 7 over G. This last chord. I hope you are follow. So let's now proceed to another slash chord. So don't you worry about this. This is so very easy. It's not a critical. Okay? I think you know the A7. This is the A7. Or this A7. So let's add the slash, the G note. So this is now the A7 over G. This is a piece of cake for you, I think. So if you're not busy on anything or on everything, so you can watch my tutorial, even if it is not important. So just enjoy yourself while playing or while watching my tutorial, and enjoy your day. Just relax. Please don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe. Rock and roll.